remember, just put your hands down. So he goes to push you, okay, throw your hands up. Okay, and say, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Use your words first, guys. I always say, open up your mind, open up your mouth before you close these. Ready, look forward, cross your arms. Throw your hands up high. Okay, say, keep your hands to yourself. Keep your hands to yourself. Cross your arms. Okay, bring them high. Say, hands off. Hands off. Cross your arms. Ready, I'm going to say high. Ready, throw your hands up. Ready, hands up. And say, not cool. Not cool. Some of you guys use your own words. Okay, guys, we're going to do this. Some of you tell me, what can we say to somebody that goes to push us? That's going to be a cousin, or it'll be a friend of ours, but they don't push us to pull us. What can we say that they would understand? Pay attention. What can we say? Okay, listen, guys, don't push me. Okay, tell you what, let's even take out the police part. Just say, don't push me, so it's direct hands forward. Right, so watch, hands down. You can say hot, and hands in, say, don't push me. Okay, wait. Hands down, say hot. Throw your hands up. Now, when my friend says, say, don't push me. Don't push me. Good, hands down. Okay, give me one. What else can we say? Okay, guys, when one person talk, first hand up. Guys, shh, guys, please.
Don't hit me.
Okay, there, guys, yes, drop forward. Right, hands down, say hot, and then do it, say don't hit me. Hands up, say don't hit me.
Don't hit me.
What else can we say? Somebody else, guys. Somebody else, what else can we say? What's something else?
Don't touch me.
Okay, hands down, ready? You say hot, and then we say hands up, don't touch me. Go ahead. Okay, hands up, and say don't touch me.